Now, let's move on to the last thing I'm going to talk about today that's going to help your fat eat itself away.
Oh, that's good.
It's a fat-eating fiber.
I like fiber.
So there's a new kind of fiber. It's called alpha-cyclodextrin. That's a mouthful, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why they call it FBCX, because no one's going to remember alpha-cyclodextrin.
FBCX.
Right? This is a very cool fiber that has amazed my entire staff. We had the research team look at it. It can eliminate 9 times its weight. 9 times its weight.
That's what I need. 20 pounds.
Well, okay. Well, it's going to do it over time, but it will do it. And when you take the FBCX, it will actually bind up to the fat. It takes away about 500 calories of fat a day that you would have eaten in your diet. So it removes huge amounts, much bigger than I've talked about on the show before as a fiber. Now, here's the thing. You want to take it with your meals. And not every meal, hopefully, will have 500 calories of bad fat in it. And how many times do you cheat in your diet a week?
A lot.
A lot? 3 times, 4 times?
3 times.
Okay, perfect. Every time you cheat in your diet, I want you to grab one of these itty-bitty pills. They look like this. Okay. Grab one of these little pills, and this pill is going to bind the fat that you had in that bad meal, and it's going to remove it from your body. You're going to poop it out.
Oh, great.
Right? It's not going to stick in your teeth. You like that concept,
That's right.
Why have it in your waist when it can be outside of you?
That's right.
So you take 2 grams of this fiber whenever you, a couple times a week, whenever you have those cheat meals. I don't want you to overindulge. You can do this. You know what? I want you to stay here. I'm going to give you a visual of exactly how this FBCX works.
Perfect.
Okay, now, I'm going to do this in a very clear way. I brought a colleague, Alex Vega, to join us. He's a sumo wrestler, if you have not guessed that already. How are you, Alex? Yeah, I know. If it's okay, you're actually very proud of your weight.
Extremely proud.
Can you give us the number roughly?
I'm about 400 pounds.
All right, 400 pounds. So imagine if we needed to move 400 pounds. You'd need something else that's 400 pounds. This is the battle you're all fighting in your life. You're 25, 35 pounds overweight. You think you need to have something that powerful to move that 35 pounds away. So when you try to do that, you rely on yourself, which is not quite the same amount of power. So Fina's joining us. Come on out, Fina. Welcome, Fina. Fina, how much do you weigh, honey?
I just got weighed the other day, and I weigh 50 pounds.
50 pounds. Okay. So I'll do it roughly. It's 8 to 9 times heavier, your opponent over here, because you don't know this yet, Fina, but you're about to wrestle Alex. Now, in order to do that, you've got to actually be able to push Alex outside the ring, literally push him outside the studio. So go ahead and push Alex as hard as you can. Push hard. Come on, Fina, hurry up. Fina, please. Fina! All right. It's pretty hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's hard because when you rely on willpower and the usual tools, it's like taking a 50-pound, sprightly, energetic, but small person and pushing someone who's 400 pounds who's used to not being pushed around. So what I want you to do is become a superhero. I'm going to arm you with what I was talking about earlier, the FBCX. And in fact, I'm going to do it with a cape. You're going to become the FBCX superhero. And I'm going to put this cape on you. And with the power invested in this cape, this potent fiber, you're going to be able to bind up 9 times your weight, which actually takes you to even more than what Alex weighs. Right? Go ahead and push him. Let's see what happens. Oh, he's trying to stop, but he can't. Oh, she's winning. Victory! Victory! Push him way out of here, Al. Nicely done. That, my friends, is how FBCX works. The tiny, itty-bitty fiber that can push a lot of fat out of your body. Remember that when you think about what you're going to be doing this week to get back on your program. We'll be right back.